What's up, guys? Bryant is currently cutting the frame rail on his Integra. We're trying to put a sequential K-Series trans on the back of his turbo J-Series engine. I just wanted to step outside and give you that info before I go in here and watch him destroy the frame rail on this car and then repair it for 2 days. Here we go. We really wanted to void the warranty.
Yes, we're all about voiding the warranty.
How's that working out, Doc?
Slow. It's getting there though. So we just need to notch out this section. Then the trans will just fit right in. Be easy to remove the trans in and out.
It'll actually be serviceable.
Yes.
That's what we're looking for.
So this side's cut all the way through. Just need to.
That actually looks like it's making pretty good progress.
That's what happens if you have new blades, which is very rare.
Why don't we have new blades every time?
You know.
Okay.
Harbor Freight's only like 2 miles down the road.
Oh, well, that's 2 miles too far.
Yeah, I guess. Wow, that's thick right there. She's thick.
How's that working out, bro?
It's good. So I got through the bottom portion.
Okay. Now we just gotta kill like 3 more blades to get through the rest of it?
No, I think I might switch to the angle grinder.
Sounds a little more efficient.
And then
Here, give the peeps a little show what you're doing down there.
Don't worry about that. So that's what's going on. I've already cut up here, cut the vertical. I just need to cut horizontal now. So pretty much need to connect this cut to this cut, and then it'll notch out this frame rail. Once we get the frame rail notched out, I need to figure out what I want to do, but we're definitely going to box all this back in just so we don't try to lose any structure or rigidity here. But yeah, that's what's going on. So I need to grab the angle grinder, and we'll cut here, we'll cut on the other side, and then this actual this piece will come off. Then we can test fit the transmission, make sure the transmission fits good, make sure we don't need to modify it anymore before we actually weld everything up.
What's this Skookum clutch right here behind you?
This is, let me spin around here. Spec twin disc. I've had this clutch for like 3 years. It's been just sitting on the shelf waiting for this project. But
who makes this J to K adapter?
This is a Inline Pro J to K adapter. So the adapter, it comes with the actual adapter plate, all the hardware. It actually moves the starter. On a K-Series, normally the starter is actually up here. Obviously, it being a J engine doesn't allow us to put the starter up there, but puts it down here. I really dislike how this starter is. This might change over time because we have the dry sump. Obviously, the dry sump doesn't hang down very low. I was hoping that this pole, this bar right here, was actually the lowest portion, but I don't know if you can see that, but this hangs down quite a bit lower, so pretty much all of this will hang down. I'm just worried that all this is going to get just completely knocked right off. So This is the power stud and the signal for the solenoid itself. But yeah, other than that, that's what's going on down here. Got changed out the urethane and the Passport mounts. We've now gone to the stiffest urethane that Passport has before going to solids. I don't know if y'all saw, it's got a tubular FCS subframe. Not a lot of people run these, or nobody that I know of runs these on a road course. I'm curious how these are going to hold up. We shall see. But other than that, this water outlet setup, decided to go against this water outlet setup and go different. So waiting on Rob at Track Tough. We're going to run the Track Tough setup. Should be really nice. We'll see how that ends up working out. But as soon as we get that in, hopefully the next couple weeks or month or so, we get it going. But in the meantime, let's connect the dots here. Let's cut this across, get this pocket out, and see if that's gonna be enough to make this sequential fit.
So there's not much left of that grinder wheel. Oh, and it's off. Sir, how's that working out down there?
Hot.
I mean, it looks hot. Don't have the car on fire yet, do we?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, it's because we had that fire safety meeting like a month ago.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
At least I know where the extinguisher is now, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Devin's got a can of brake fluid he can pour
Oh,
on
yeah. Very clean?
Yeah. I mean, I smell like burning flesh.
This is what Bryant looks like when he's overheating.
Yeah.
Just FYI.
That's me.
Alright, made some more progress on the Integra here. Let me show you what's going on. Got the frame rail notched out. Came out a lot better than I thought it was going to, but got it notched. Got a piece of 1/4 inch thick plate bent up so I can reinforce the actual inside. I don't know if you can see it down here, but yeah. So got that installed. Now that that's all done, ready to go, now we can get this put back in, hopefully for final time. Make sure everything lines up good, make sure everything clears good, get our new Passport bracket mount on, and get going. Jesus, it's hot. Okay, as you can see, there's some things missing. 12 steps forward and like 30 steps backwards. There's a better look of the frame rail that I modified that I really don't like, because you could see where when I welded it, there's the smoke when it caught fire, but it's not the worst thing in the world. But got all the hot parts off. Manifold, crossover pipe, turbo is completely off, wastegate's off. All of these hot parts have pulled off. there's the turbo. Unfortunately, we had a little incident with the turbo, which kind of sucks, but we'll get to that at a later date. So, hot parts came off because we're sending all the hot parts off to get header shield covering done on them. We'll follow up more hopefully in a couple weeks or a month or so when we get everything back. But in the meantime, got everything off. Now we've got tons of room. We'll be able to get the trans on. Once I get the trans on, then obviously I can put this mount on, then I can put the rear mount on, really start getting a bunch of this stuff finalized, finished up. I need to figure out some kind of mount bracket situation, something for here for this front bracket. But yeah, in the meantime, oh well, I forgot one thing. Also, the exhaust, when the exhaust ran through there, it wasn't double V-band flanged like I wanted it, so I'm going to modify that so it's a double V-band on both sides. You can see one of the V-bands on the back side, on the inside of the car. V-band on the inside. So that's how I originally wanted it, but I wanted V-bands on both sides. So I'm going to redo the exhaust so I can put a V-band there and then a V-band on the inside, and I can actually seal this off a lot better. So that's what's going on, and yeah, stay tuned for more updates here.